Orosur is a producer, gold producer, operating in Uruguay with exploration projects in Colombia and Chile. Currently 300 people, staff, basically 35,000 ounces this year of production. It is fully funded by cash from operations, practically debt-free these days, and very much going through, in the last 3 years, through a process of restructuring with the gold price in a decline, really from April 2013, when I took over, just before that, and constantly going down. We've gone through one process after another. I believe now we have a lean and mean team that has proved itself through delivering on target or exceeding targets quarter after quarter since the beginning of 2013. We got a significant reduction in the gold price, as everybody is aware, in July. We very much focus on restructuring the company, something that we manage around August and September. That restructuring worked well. We were aiming to have our all-in sustaining cost below 1,000. Is something that we already achieved on our Q3, so reporting in February 2016, while at the same time we have reprofiled our San Gregorio Deeps project, which is going to be the next underground operation, and is in fact the second underground operation in Uruguay, mechanized underground mine. That is already has started the development, and development is in progress. At the same time, we got from the Uruguayan government an exemption of the royalty. In my mind, not only important for the value on a cash basis, but also from the point of view of the support of the government to the company, something that they are only allowed to grant on the basis of being of national interest for Uruguay. So of a lot of value for us, especially to know that in difficult periods we can count with that type of support. Indeed, it does. Last year, not only the gold price was coming down, but it was a general feeling in the market that nobody knows how low it could go. Part of the way we managed that period of time was to leave aside open pits that started to become marginal at lower gold prices. So automatically higher gold prices will bring that ore to become reserves again and to become economical. Better gold price, of course, allows the company to generate more cash and to invest more in exploration in Uruguay or in the Isla Cristalina. And we have some other projects that will build the core of our years 2, 3, and 4, simply replicating the efforts we've made in Arenal going underground. Now with San Gregorio going underground is something that we can repeat with some of the other pits. So it's projects that are already reserves are in the process of being part of the mine plan as engineering makes progress with low risk at the end of the day. Well, we are talking about Colombia and Chile. In Colombia is the Anzá project. We made an acquisition of this project in June 2014. It is a project that we qualify as high quality exploration. There are 3 reasons for that, and also the reasons why we made the acquisition. One is that there is no ticking clock, there is no deadlines, no commitments on the project, so we advance at the speed of that the project is able to go. At the same time, we have permitting in place. We have a gypsum mine there, which is in operation, and that means that the mining permit is there. It was expanded to gold. It would have to be expanded if we go for a gold, full-fledged gold operation, but at the end of the day, in Colombia is key to have the permit when you compare to many other companies or projects. And at the end of the day, the intersects and the results from the drilling, 17,000 meters, showed numbers like 14 meters at 41 grams or 40 meters at 16 grams per ton of gold. So it is a high quality gold exploration project for us, and it's something that where we feel we have the foundation to move ahead. If we bear in mind the strengths of the company, the process of restructuring, optimization we've gone through, the sort of challenges we are facing every day in Uruguay, we feel that we are in a good position to extrapolate or export our experience of working on a daily basis with all mining issues into Colombia. So we are starting to consider a small mine concept for Colombia, where we start small, but we build up as time progress. So it's very much on a under review situation, very much understanding the feasibility of the potential project, but something that we decided to embark on now in a more stronger environment for the gold price, but also considering that the foundation of the project are there to allow us to move on. So it's something that we will be under review for the next few months, and that we, as soon as we make any progress, we will be updating the market on that. On Chile, very much it was and remains to be our highest risk, highest reward project, but very much greenfield exploration. I think we were very happy to see in the last 3 years, when many projects were simply put on the back burner, we managed to, first of all, renegotiate with Codelco, get an extension to the contract from 2016 to 2022 to reach a feasibility level, and then get an external party to finance this high-risk project. So the project is going ahead. The exploration took place. We got the initial $850,000 last year, and it will be a period of 3 years until hopefully the objective is to get to discovery. A project of that type of geology, discovery will mean value because it will be economical given the features of the project. But very much the objective would be to reach discovery with Anillo. Well, for the last 3 years, the company has been extremely active. I mean, many other companies have been struggling to keep afloat. We've been restructuring the operations in San Gregorio. I mean, we've got to the level recently, all-in sustaining cost even below 1,000, get the support of the government, get the support of the trade unions. Operations in San Gregorio are running extremely efficient these days. Arenal has been moving ahead. We are even developing a new mine with San Gregorio. Debt is gone from the company. So a lot of progress has been done on the operational side. From the reputation point of view, the company has been delivering quarter on quarter, has been meeting or exceeding targets, and has been in this period of time making a lot of progress. On the projects in Chile and Colombia, we were taking advantage of the situation also to advance with these projects, get external funding or advancing the projects anyway. So from my perspective, the company is as strong as ever, has made huge progress, and is ready to take advantage of finally an improvement in gold price to go for growth.